looking for a speaker who can energize your next team kickoff or client event with content that inspires real change, not just motivation that fades? I'm Vannessa McCamley, founder of REWIRE for Success and author of REWIRE for Success. I bring over 25 years of leadership experience and specialize in neuroscience-backed keynotes and workshops that engages audience with storytelling, science, and simple strategies they can use straight away. So why neuroscience, you may be asking? Because it explains how people think, decide, and connect. When audiences understand this, they walk away inspired and equipped to shift behavior and performance. My sessions are interactive, engaging, practical, and proven to leave a lasting impact. Clients describe them both as engaging and transformational. If you're planning events for your team or your clients, let's explore how I can help deliver an experience that truly resonates and makes a difference. You can review topics, videos, and my testimonials on my speaking page on the rewireforsuccess.com.au services page. Note, I can also tailor the topics to your theme and desired outcome. And I have a really engaging activity that allows the audience to be the scientist of their own experiment. Ask me about my bio.activity. Crowds and audiences go wild for it.